In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use line view. Line view makes it easier to read by creating one continuous line you can move through and control the speed and magnification. Click on the document you want to use. Click the line view button in the visual menu under the mode section, or use the hotkeys left control plus number pad period or full stop. Press the hotkeys left control number pad plus and minus zoom in and out. Press the spacebar on the keyboard to start scrolling. Press the up and down arrow keys to adjust the speed. Press the left and right arrow keys to navigate through the text. Press escape to exit line view.